What is artificial intelligence? The word artificial means any man-made things that are not natural, while the word intelligence is the ability to understand, think, and learn. So, it is a field that is concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with human mind such as learning and problem solving. Understanding artificial intelligence. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of is robots. That's because big budget films and novels weave stories about human-like machines that wreak havoc on Earth. But the truth is, many interesting things have made possible by artificial intelligence, from field of art, medicine, engineering, linguistics to robotics, the field which artificial intelligence is mainly known for. But it's not easy to develop robots that perform the desired task, because a single coding error can cause big problems. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks, from most simple to those that are even more complex. The goal of artificial intelligence include learning, reasoning, and perception. As technology advances, the previous benchmarks that define artificial intelligence become outdated. For example, the machines that calculate basic functions or recognize text through optimal character recognitions are no longer considered to embody artificial intelligence, since this function is now taken for granted as an inherent computer function. AI is continuously evolving to benefit many different industries. Machines are wired using a cross-disciplinary approach based in mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology, and more. Algorithms often plays a very important role in parts of structure of artificial intelligence, where simple algorithms are used in simple applications while more complex ones help frame strong artificial intelligence. Categorization of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be divided into two different categories: strong and weak artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence embodies a system designed to carry out one particular job. Weak artificial intelligence include video games such as chess, for example, from above, and personal assistants such as Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. You ask the assistant a question and it answers for you. Strong artificial intelligence systems are systems that carry on the tasks considered to be human-like. These tend to be more complex and complicated systems. They are programmed to handle situations in which they are required to solve problems without having a person intervene. These kind of systems can be found in applications like self-driving cars or in hospital operating rooms. Applications of artificial intelligence. The applications for artificial intelligence are endless. The technology can be applied to many different sectors and industries. Artificial intelligence is tested and used in healthcare industry for dosing drugs and different treatments in patients, and for surgical procedures in the operating rooms. Other examples of machines with AI include computers that play chess and self-driving cars. Each of these machines must weigh the consequence of any action they take, as each action will impact the end result. In chess, the end result is winning the game. For self-driving car, the computer system must account for all external data and compute it to act in a way that prevents a collision. Artificial intelligence has applications in the financial industry, where it is used to detect and flag activity in banking and finance, such as unusual debit card usage, and large amount of deposits, all of which helps a bank fraud department. Applications for AI are also being used to help streamline and make trading easier,